some science words. So the first thing that I want you to do is just kind of read through the words, and then you can start to sort them into groups based on like any similarities that you see between the words. So go ahead and read through those, and however you want to move them on the paper, just to sort them into some groups. You need at least 3 for it to be a group. Alrighty, done? So let's look at some of the groups that you made. So can you read these words for me?
Erosion, weathering, insulator, volcano, earthquake.
Okay. And what about these words?
Electricity, series circuit, conductor, battery, parallel circuit, wires.
Okay.
Food chain, habitat, adaptation, life cycle.
Cool. So what did you do to sort these words? What did you think was alike about those words?
They all have something to do with like the earth.
With the earth? Okay. So what would you I'm going to grab a pencil.
But it can go in both because the Earth's gravitational field is an insulator to keep most of the heat out, but it also goes in this.
Oh, so that one could go in either one. Oh, that's a really good reason, and I would have thought of it maybe in that group, but I didn't realize that. You just taught me something new. So what would you maybe, like, if you had to put a label on this group, what would you maybe call it? You can just kind of write it up there. Earth, because those all have to do with the earth, and what else did you say about those?
It all has to do something with like our gravitational field.
Cool. Okay. And then you were looking over at this group. What would you maybe label that group if you were going to label it? Electricity, because all of those words have in common that they have to do with electricity. And what would you maybe label that group? Animals, because all of these words have to do with animals and things that you've learned about with animals in science. So, for example, let's go back to insulator. So I liked how you could put that word in either group. Would changing the name of the group change whether you put the word in that group? Yeah? So what if we named, this maybe something about, you said gravity, you used that word, didn't you? If we named it gravity, would you maybe pull that word over? It could work in either one. I really like how you found that out. All right. Thank you so much. That's it.